The assembly session for the second day just started, and you have seen that the discussion is on the speech of Honorable Governor, and our turn is yet to come. The government has already started telling what has not been implemented in the ground. There are two types of development, it looks like. One is the printed form of development, and the other development is in the ground. So we are here in the opposition bench to show the real picture of the interior Tripura and the grassroots reality. So you please wait, because the second session of the day will start after 2.
Sir, this is about the appointment of interlocutor from the government of India about the discussion.
I think this question should be answered by our party chief, Maharaj, and because we are here, we don't know what is going on outside, and definitely he'll be the right person to answer your question.
Are you hopeful of having the appointment today, sir? Today was the day, that was the 27th of...
Yes, this is what we got to know from the center, but the actual answer will be given by our party chief. Thank you.
Thanks.